Okay, what's up guys? So it's your guy Shapira here once again. And guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to be able to mine free BNB inside your Trust wallet. Okay guys, so I encourage every one of you watching this video to watch the video to the end so that you know the best platform or the best site that you are going to mine the BNB inside your Trust wallet. Okay, and guys, if you have somebody up there who's looking for a way to make money online, I recommend you that you share my video to all your friends who are looking for a way to make money online. As you can see on the screen right now, it's your guy Shapira here once again. I'm a content creator. I create video about how to make money online. So if it's your first time on my channel here, guys, do me a favor by subscribing and liking this particular video, and also commenting and sharing this video to all your friends who are looking for a way to make or to find some money online. As you can see on the screen here, I have a bunch of videos about how to make money. As you can see on the screen here, I have a bunch of videos here that is going to show you how to make money. And guys, I want you to do something for me. I want you to go down to the video that you're watching right now. Okay, the video that you're watching right now, I want you to do something for me in this video real quick. Okay, let me just squeeze it. Yeah guys, when you're here, the video you're watching right now, I want you to subscribe, smash the like button. As you can see on the screen, hit the like button, and also click on the comment section below and to comment me or to tell me anything that you have found difficult in the video. But guys, to those of you who don't have anything to comment about, just in case you appreciate this video, just comment below that nice video or write something about the video when you think that you really appreciate the video. And what that will do is that YouTube is going to recommend the video to people up there to watch to make a lot of money online. Okay, so guys, so you watching this video now, I'm sure that you have liked the video, you have subscribed to the channel, and you have clicked on the bell icon below to be notified and drop more videos. And also scroll down to the bottom of this video, scroll down real quick, click on more. Okay, click on more and scroll down to the video you are watching right now. When you scroll down, you see a site, a place that they have written website. So make sure that you click on my website there. You can see the name shapiroac.com. So click on it, or you can also go to your Google Play Store and go search for shapiroac.com. And guys, when you click on it, it will bring you to a place that look like this, as you can see on the screen. Okay, this is my website. So when you're here, I want you to scroll down. Just scroll down real quick. Just scroll down real quick. Let me see. Okay, scroll down. I want you to scroll down, guys. In case you want to get more information, you can come to my site and we'll be reading more news. Okay, so when you're here, as you can see on the screen right now, that I have 11 followers. I want you to click on the follow button. After I click on the follow button, come and message me with your name and email address and let me know what you have done. Okay, and also follow me on Instagram, where I also share tips about how to make money online. As you can see on the screen, that this is my accounts on Instagram, and also show me some love on TikTok at the same name Shapiroac. And as you can see that I also drop videos about how to make money online. At the same time, you can also go to Twitter. Those of you who are on Twitter, follow me on Twitter that use the same name Shapiroac, as you can see on the screen right now here, where I drop tips about how to make money online. And the last and the final place that I recommend you to follow me is what we call the Telegram, as you can see. And guys, this is my group, the course that I have created, which is the YouTube monetization. So in case you are watching this video, you are a YouTuber or you are thinking of how to create a YouTube channel, there will be a link in the description box below. Click on that link, as you can see on the screen here. Okay, because classes are going to start very soon. I'm going to start classes with them very soon, as you can see. So guys, there will be the link in the description box below. Click on that link that will take you here. And the final one is my main group. Okay, those of you who want to join my main group, which is the money gang on Telegram, as you can see on the screen right now here. There will be this link in the description box below that will also take you to this group. So those of you want to join all my group, all my link will be found in the description box below. Okay guys, so I think that's enough for the introduction. Sorry for making the introduction very long, but I just want to explain some things to you. So guys, let's just go to the reason why we are here. Okay, now today we are here for free BNB inside our Trust wallet, as I said earlier. So all of you have what we call the Trust wallet, but in case you don't have the Trust wallet, you have to go to Google Play Store. Those of you who are using the iPhone, to go to Apple Store and go and search for what we call Trust wallet real quick. Okay, Trust wallet real quick. Okay, so boom, as you can see, this is what the Trust wallet look like, and that's the interface. Mine is updates because I have it installed already. So if this is your first time, you will be installed. Make sure that you have installed it on your phone. When you scroll down, you can see that there are good reviews on it. So guys, Trust wallet is the best cryptocurrency wallet that you can hold your cryptocurrency. So I'm sure by now you have Trust wallet already. Okay guys, so click on the first link that you see in the description box below. When you click on it, it will bring you to a place that look like this, as you can see on your screen. Yeah, I'm very sure that it will be the first link in the description box below. So make sure that you click on the link and copy the address, the official web. Okay, copy the official web address. When you copy it, just hop up to your Trust wallet account. Okay, today we are going to use Trust wallet to do the mining for free. Okay, or the investment for free. Okay, so click on your Trust wallet, and I'm sure by now all of you know what is Trust wallet and you have Trust wallet already. Okay, so confirm your password and can see this is my account. This is a new account that I create for the tutorial of this video. Okay, so guys, when you're here, you can see that under there we have what we call the wallet, the discover, and the D apps. Okay, all of you, I know all of you can see the D apps there. Now click on that D app. Okay, click on it and it will bring you to a place that look like this. Okay, now when you have written the search button, make sure you click on it and you paste the address that you have copied earlier. So paste the idea there, you click on done. Okay, when you click on that, it will bring you to a place that look like this, as you can see. But let's just wait for it to load. Okay, it have to load, so let's just wait for it to load quickly. Okay, let's just wait for it. Okay, it's loading. Okay, boom. So guys, here we are. Okay, so let me just scroll up again. Let me scroll up. Let me explain everything to the top, to the down. Okay, just explain everything to you vividly. Okay, guys, so this is how the app looks. So guys, when you're here, you can see at the top there you have something called the Ethereum. The Ethereum sign is at the top there where my recorder is. You can see it. Click on it. Okay, when you click on it, then change it to what? Smart chain. Okay, so when you click on it, now the next thing we're going to do here is just to connect our wallet. You can see they say what? Okay, it's just loading. Let me just wait for it to load again. Okay, so it's have loaded again. Let me just go back again quick. Okay guys, so here we are going to connect our wallet. Okay, so click on connect your wallet, and they are demand you whether you are ready to confirm, and click on connect for your wallet to be connected. Okay, so when your wallet connected, it will show at the top. When you connect your wallet, you can see successfully connected, as you can see on the screen. Now guys, what are we doing here? Now let me show what we'll be doing here. Now guys, for the tutorial of this video, okay, for the tutorial of this video, you need an amount of BNB in your wallet. When I say an amount of BNB, doesn't mean that you need $2 and now you need $5. No, guys, you only need maybe an amount of only $1. Okay, only $1 BNB in your Trust wallet. As you can see, when you scroll down, you can see what it says 8% daily bonuses. Okay, I'm going to show you how we're able to get that 8% daily bonuses. But let's scroll down, let's look at some questions. Okay, now they say what happens when I invest, and they say what when you invest BNB, your BNB is locked in a BNB miner smart contract and reward you with a daily income of 8% on the average. Okay, and then sometimes it can be lower and it can be also higher. And also when you scroll down again, you can see the best time to invest. Okay, so let's look at the best time that we need to invest here. They said always, no matter when you invest, it will begin with a return rate of 8% daily, as I said earlier. So guys, so when you come to referrals, you can see they have a lot of things here, but I'm not going to go out with referral. Let's just go quickly. Let me show you how you can be able to do this here. Okay guys, so as I was saying earlier, you just need a small amount of BNB in your wallet before you can be able to invest and get your free returns back. So for example, in case we are having about, let me just do a scenario, we are having about 0.0, maybe something like 0.00 maybe 7 BNB in your wallet, and they said daily, that's what they are going to get interest of 8%. Okay, so 8 times a day, you can see the amount of BNB you are going to, amount of profits you are going to make on it. Okay, and let's just clean it the one, and let's just make like maybe 5 days, so you can see the amount of profit that we are going to make on it for just small amount of BNB. And 50 days, let me just bring it 50 days, you can see the amount of BNB you are going to make. And guys, this amount of BNB you are seeing on your screen here is a huge amount of BNB. You can go and Google it and you'll see it for yourself. Okay, so guys, with the small amount of BNB you have in your wallet, you can make at least a lifetime or a bigger amount of BNB, as you can see on the screen. So guys, I recommend this app to you all. Okay, I recommend this it's not app, sorry, it's not an app. I recommend you this method for you all who are looking for a way to get free BNB. Okay guys, you're not going to pay any money, you get in this BNB. The only thing you have to invest a small amount of money. You can see I'm trying to invest, but I don't have BNB in my wallet. Okay, so they are trying me to buy BNB. They want me to buy BNB. And guys, the video that I released yesterday, somebody was asking me where can they get BNB and buy. Okay, I received that comment that where can they use mobile money to buy, guys, and the answer is yes. Okay, I replied the person that no, but before later I realized that the answer is yes. And don't worry, I'm going to show you where the best platform to get your BNB and buy and transfer it to your Trust wallet for you to invest it and make a lot of money. Okay, so let's go to the best platform I have for you. Okay, so let me just go there. Okay, now guys, today we are going to work with what we call Binance. Okay, and I'm sure my subscribers who have been following me from day one, they know what is Binance, they know how I used to make a lot of money from Binance. They know I even showed them how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies from Binance. I did a course or even a Binance, and I love using Binance a lot. Okay, most of you who have been following me can testify that I love to use Binance a lot. So guys, when you are here for the Binance, let's just wait for it to load. Okay, Binance take a time to load. In case you are looking for how to create a Binance account, you don't have it, but you want to get an account on Binance, guys, there will be a link in the description box below that will show you how to create a Binance account. Okay, I have it on my channel because I have been creating to my subscribers. Okay guys, so I'm just waiting for it to load. Okay, But I hope by now all of you have subscribed, you have comments below, and you have liked this video. Okay, so I'm just waiting for it to load. Okay, it takes some small. Okay guys, it's have load finished. So now you can see how you have the P2P trading. You can see, let me just scroll down. Okay, P2P trading you have there. So make sure that you click on the P2P trading. Okay, now when you click on it, to bring you to a place that look like this, as you can see on the screen. And when you're here, you can see you have the USDT there, you have the Bitcoin there, and the following one is what, the BNB, as you can see on the screen. I hope all of you can see it. So when you click on the BNB, to load to a place that look like this, and you can come here and buy your BNB and transfer it to your TrustWallet forward, and extra money to be made on it, as you can see on the screen. And you can buy it at lowest BNB, at lowest like 50 cedis or 40 cedis, and that is to those of you who are in Ghana, who are in my country here. And you can even change your payment method in case that you are not living in my country here. They have a lot of payment method that you can also buy here. So Binance is worldwide cryptocurrency wallets that you can buy and sell BNB, as you can see on the screen. So I recommend this app for you, those of you who are looking for where to buy the BNB so that you can invest and make a lot of money on it in returns. This is the best platform to buy on BNB, and in case you have any cryptocurrency to buy, this is the best platform I recommend for you. So let's just go back to where we are for this app. So guys, as you can see on the stream, this app is very working, and guys, they will pay you daily. So guys, even though I'm not a financial advisor, but I encourage all of you to get this app and make a lot of money from this app. Okay, so guys, this is all I have for you in this video. That's all I have for you in this video. And guys, if you think that you have found value in this video and this video is going to make you a lot of money, guys, why not go ahead and share the video to all your friends who are looking for a way to make money online, and also subscribe to be notified anytime I drop more making money online videos on YouTube. And also do not forget to like this video. Okay guys, when you like this video, what that will do is that anybody that will come to YouTube looking for a way to make money online, YouTube is going to recommend my video to the person to watch, because your likes will determine that okay, the video is good or the video is very bad. So in case you think that the video is very bad, give me a don't like it, give me a dislike on it. And guys, comments below, let me know the biggest problem that I've done. In case I've done something in the video that you don't like, comments below, let me know, because I like to improve upon myself a lot. So guys, as you can see on the screen, those are the videos that I have on Binance. Okay, as you can see on the screen right now, those are the videos I have on Binance. So you can come and click on it and check out how to create a Binance account, and also how to work with Binance. Okay, in case you don't know how to work in Binance, those videos there are going to help you to work in Binance. And guys, I think that's all I have for you in this video. In case of any question, any suggestion, anything at all, you can chat me. Feel free to chat me on all my social media platforms. I'm always available. And to those of you who have sent me messages I didn't reply, don't worry, I'm going to reply to all your messages. Okay, I've been replying to every messages daily. Okay, not every, but most of them. I'm replying to most of. So that's all I have for you in this video. See you in my next video, guys. I'm out.